Hi everyone, welcome to All Things Movies. So great to have you on my third quiz. Very excited. So very quickly, I'm Priya. I love movies. I'm very happy to have Anirudh from London, Malvika from Pune, Siddharth from Bangalore, Ria from Melbourne, and Ankita from Delhi. Welcome guys, and all the best for the quiz. Okay, great. So very quickly going over the rules, there are 3 rounds. Each round will have 5 questions. You all write out the answers, and once you all have written it out, show me your cards. Every right answer gets you 1 point. Question number 1. From which movie is the dialogue, कभी किसी को इतना मत डराओ कि डर ही खत्म हो जाए?
You go. I call Sholay.
What are the others writing? What are the others got? You all have answers.
Akira.
Suri, what do you have?
I have Dar. I don't know.
Anirudh?
I had no idea, so I didn't write anything.
Okay.
You should have Googled it, yaar.
Mary Com.
Yes, that's the right answer.
I too will Google.
It was Mary Com, Priyanka Chopra. Again, I'll repeat it. Kabhi kisi ko itna mat darao. Good answer, Suri. Dar could have been an option, but sadly it wasn't. Itna mat darao ki dar hi khatam ho jaye. Should we move on to the second question then? We guess the Hindi song from these English lyrics. Bangles are saying, bracelets are saying, I have become yours, my dear.
Bol Kangana, right?
Unenthusiastic.
It's Bol Shriya, Bol Kangana. Am I correct?
Malvika, wait. Let people also write down their answers.
Sorry. God, I called it. I win.
What did you all have? Before Malvika blurted out the answer.
I was not going in the right direction, but I was thinking of Chudi Baji Hai Kahin Dur Khan Khan
Even I
from
thought.
Yes Boss.
My heart was actually saying Chutiya Kalaya, but my hand and my mind said Bol Churiya. So, yeah. Don't follow your heart all the time, guys. Just like, life lessons.
Ankita, what did you get?
I got Bole Churiya.
Yay! Ria?
Bole Churiya.
Same Bola Churia. No, reconnect the movie and not the song. But then the song came afterwards.
Moving on, question number 3. Identify the movie in which Vidya Balan played a delusional traditional Indian dancer. Bonus points if you get the name of a character right as well. Okay, does everyone have an answer? Show me your answers. What do you all have?
Bhool Bhulaiya, Manjulika.
Oh, damn.
Anirudh, what do you have?
I had the same in my highly illegible handwriting. Bhool Bhulaiya. I didn't get the character though.
Malvika?
I had Bhool Bhulaiya and I wrote some random names, so I don't think it's correct.
Okay, Suri?
I was way off the mark. I had Silk Smita.
Delusional, and she did do some classical dance.
She was delusional to some extent. And there was dancing in the movie too. So.
Ria, what did you have?
Bhool Bhulaiya, Manjulika.
Nice. Moving on to question number 4. In the movie Tamasha, where do Ved and Tara first meet? And I'm looking for the name of the place where they meet. Okay, starting with Ankita, what do you have?
Corsica.
Ria, what do you have?
Oh, wrong. Don't have an answer.
Suri is writing. Suri, you cannot be writing after pens are down. What are you writing? Tell me.
Darjeeling.
Because she was in the tea industry. You were close, but quite far actually geographically. Anirudh, what did you get?
I haven't seen the movie, so I came up with a random place. Mauritius.
What? You have to watch Tamasha. How can you not have watched Tamasha? Watch it today.
I know, I've been told.
Even I haven't. Is it great? Because I get very this thing. I lose patience with Ranbir Kapoor perpetually trying to find himself.
And Imtiaz Ali as well. They are both trying to find him.
Okay, so I wrote Corsica, and I thought we had to pick the place where they met. So I wrote some rando bar because I did not know where they actually met in Corsica. But okay.
Okay. Which brand of bag is Bagwati from Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara?
Oh, I know. I think I do.
Does everyone have an answer? This time I'm going to start with Siddharth. What do you have? Prada. Anirudh, what do you have?
I have Louis Vuitton.
I love it. All these boys knowing their brands so well.
That's the only one I knew.
Malvika, what do you have?
So I wrote Hermès, but obviously the bag version is, I think, Birkin, right? So.
Okay. Let's see what Ankita and Riya have.
I don't know.
Hermes.
It is Hermes. It's the Hermes Kelly bag.
Are we going to move on to Bollywood gossip now?
No. You will have 2 more rounds of questions. Question number 1. Which actress plays the role of Dr. Suman in the movie Munna Bhai MBBS? Anirudh nodding away. I think he knows this one.
Yeah, it's a rarity, but I know this one.
Okay, pens down, papers up. What do you all have?
Gracie Singh.
Gracie Singh.
I wrote Bhagwan Jade because I thought Gracie Singh was in the second movie and Vidya Balan was in the first. But Vidya Balan was in the second movie and Gracie Singh was in the first. Shit, yeah.
Why did you still write Bhagwan Jane if you knew so much trivia? Siddharth and Riya, what did you all write?
Gracie Singh.
Shit, yeah.
No.
This is not cool. Damn.
I was way off. I got completely confused between her and Priya Gill. I don't know
Who is
why.
Priya Gill?
Priya Gill was in Josh.
Oh.
Okay, second question. Identify the movie in which Alia Bhatt plays a bride-to-be who gets kidnapped at a petrol pump.
Oh.
Oh, I know this.
Okay. Pens down, papers up. Riya, what do you have?
Highway.
Anirudh,
Same, Highway.
Ankita,
Highway.
Siddharth, you're smiling. What
I don't
do
know.
you
I'm
have?
embarrassed. I have nothing.
I wrote highway and I drew a little road too.
Okay, fine. No bonus points, but I appreciate that. Question number 3 of round number 2. In which movie did we see SRK's signature step for the first time?
The answer I have in mind is super obvious, so it can't be the right one.
Yeah. Maybe it is.
Okay, pens down and papers up. Anirudh, what is your super obvious answer?
Mine was DDLJ, which is probably wrong.
Riya,
Deewana? Deewana, his first movie? Like,
okay, let's see what the others have. Malvika,
So I said DDLJ and the song is that, you know, the one in the mustard field with Tujhe Dekha To Ye Jana Sanam.
I
Okay.
got the same.
and Suri, what do you have?
I had Kal Ho Na Ho
On the bridge, on the Brooklyn Bridge.
on the Brooklyn Bridge, yes.
So the right answer is Deewana.
I was.
Riya gets it right. His
Oh,
first,
I remember like something from that movie. Yeah.
you remember the song, Riya?
The one in the fields with
Aise
Divya.
Diwangi.
I don't.
Naam Lekh Liya, something.
Aise Diwangi.
Aise Diwangi, हाँ.
I see Diwangi.
Is that one. Yeah, so Shah Rukh Khan basically started with his signature step in the first movie ever. Question number 4 of round number 2. Guess the Hindi song from these English lyrics. Again, by
Okay.
seeing you, I realized, dear love is crazy. Where do I go from here? I will die in your arms.
Oh,
Pens down. Suri, what do you have? तुझे देखा तो ये जाना सनम. Others?
same.
Anirudh,
तो ये जाना
Same.
सनम.
तुझे देखा तो ये जाना सनम.
Riya.
तुझे देखा तो ये जाना सनम.
Yips.
Great, everyone gets this one. Good. Last question of round number 2. From which movie is the dialogue? किसकी तलवार पर सर रखूं ये बता दो मुझे. इश्क करना अगर खता है तो सजा दो मुझे. I feel like I know who's going to get this right for sure. Ankita, my hopes are riding on you.
Priya, you've just wounded me.
Ankita, what do you have?
Bajirao Mastani.
Suri,
I have the same.
do you now? Can I see?
I was midway through writing it. I'm sorry. No, I have nothing. I'm blank. Blank.
Okay. Anirudh, Malvika, Riya, what do you all have written? Show.
बाजीराव
See,
मस्तानी.
Bajirao Mastani. Can you see?
I can. Anirudh, I can't see yours.
I got the wrong one. I wrote Kesari. But
Ah,
Oh, because it had a talwar scene.
yeah, I was thinking of Talwar and thinking of a movie. That's what came to mind.
Question number 1. In the movie Hindi Medium, in which area of Delhi do Raj and Meeta originally live? Saad, what do you have?
Karol Bagh.
Anirudh?
I wrote Chandni Chowk.
yeah,
Hey,
even I wrote
Riya?
Chandni Chowk.
Chandni Chowk, because that's the only thing I know. The only place I know. Like one of the. Like,
Yeah, same here.
Chandni Chowk.
I first wrote Lajpat Nagar, then I crossed it out and wrote Chandni Chowk.
It is Chandni Chowk.
I was gonna give
That's
up.
too obvious an answer.
I thought, okay, let's write the only thing that I know.
Question number 2. What is the duration of the power nap that Virus from the movie Three Idiots takes every day? ये तो पता होना चाहिए यार. ये तो मतलब बहुत ही. ये मुझे लगता है people in South Korea and China will also know this answer.
Are you joking?
Maybe more actually. Idiots is quite a big hit in China. You know what it is called in China? It's actually called Three Bollywood Idiots. That's what all the posters said.
Oh, interesting. What are the answers that we have? Ankita, we'll start with you. What do you have?
I have 8 minutes. Because I think it was somewhere between 7 to 8 minutes. Wait, yeah, 8 minutes.
Okay. Riya, what do you have?
7 minutes.
Anirudh,
Same, 7 minutes.
Malvika.
I wrote half an hour.
Malvika, is that the length of your power?
So my power naps are for 1 hour, yaar.
Siddharth, what did you have?
I have 10 minutes.
It was 7.5 minutes. So none of you all got it, but you all were close with the 7s and 8s. Malvika, you were a bit far away. I think the efficiency of the power nap kind of goes away if you're sleeping for half an hour every day in the afternoon.
Even 10 is nearby. It's just 3 minutes more.
10
Just
is
in the-
also close. 5 is also close enough. Chalo, nobody gets that answer. Clearly, sab sondu log on this.
We can get like half points at least.
Half
Yeah,
point.
Like,
only 30 seconds off.
yeah.
30 seconds in the words of Virus will be a lifetime. So, Virus ko man mein rakhte hue, I'm not going to give you all any points for that one. Who directed the movie Gully Boy?
I have no clue. Who directed the movie, Gully Boy? Is it Zoya Akhtar?
Okay. Anirudh, let's see what the others have. Anirudh, what do you
Yeah,
have?
Zoya Akhtar.
Malvika,
I also wrote Zoya Akhtar.
Okay, Riya
Zoya Akhtar.
and Ankita, what do you all have?
So yeah, after.
Excellent. So everyone gets this one. Question number 4. Guess the Hindi song from these English lyrics. If someone like you comes in my life, then all will be fine. Then all will be fine. Starting with Riya.
I'm guessing आप जैसा कोई मेरी जिंदगी में आए तो बात बन जाए तो बात बन जाए.
Yeah.
Ankita,
Same. I don't know why I felt the need to write the entire line, but yeah.
Anirudh, do you want to sing what you
Same.
got for us? Since you're the musician in the house.
Sing maybe no.
Siddharth, what do you have?
I had the same. Aap Jaisa Koi.
अच्छा तुम दिखा दो जरा मुझे अपना.
अरे यार.
I really want to see your. Okay, fine.
The last line.
Okay, everyone got this. Riya and Ankita are at a tie.
What about me?
You are
Bhagwan Jane.
you are Bhagwan Jane. Final question, and this is I think this is a tough one, but maybe you all know. From which movie is the dialogue? I suppose in the end, the whole life becomes an act of letting go.
Oh, I think I know.
Okay?
Oh, look at Suri really thinking hard.
This is a very familiar dialogue.
I think it's got him thinking that is he letting go enough or not? Okay, Malvika, what do you have?
I wrote The Namesake.
Ankita, what do you have?
Life of Pi.
Riya,
Life of Pi.
Oh, damn.
Anirudh, and Suri, what do you all have?
I was torn, so I actually wrote 2, which is definitely wrong. Either Pico or Sky's pick.
Okay, and Suri?
I didn't write, but I had Pico in my head.
All of you have got the person correct, which is Irfan Khan, but the movie is Life of Pi. So Ankita and Riya get it.
Okay.
Well done, you guys. That's the end of the quiz. I think we've got a tie for the first time.
So much pressure यार लग रहा है बोर्ड का एग्जाम स्टार्ट होने वाला है अभी.
Seriously.
In the movie Queen, Rani makes 3 new friends in Amsterdam. Which countries are her friends from? I want the name of the 3 countries. And the names of her friends, as a hint, are Taka, Tim, and Alexander. Riya and Ankita, what do you all have?
I got Japan, France, and Russia.
Riya, what do you have?
I don't know. I don't remember anything about their countries.
Okay, fine. It is Japan, France, and Russia.
What?
Taka
Right?
Japan,
How
Tim from France, and Alexander from Russia.
How?
This one, Taka's friends died in the tsunami, and Tim said, I am from France, and this French toast we don't get even there. And Alexander, so the name is only like Russian.
Yeah, exactly. Good fun. So the winner of this quiz is Ankita with a close second from Riya, followed by Malvika, Anirudh, and Siddharth. So thanks guys for coming to the quiz. Hopefully have you guys again. See you. Thanks. Bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you.
Bye.